discuss about linear equation in two variable. Exercise 3.1, question number 2. Represent the given situation algebraically and graphically. So the question is given: coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. We have to represent the given situation algebraically and also graphically. Here we can take cost of one bat and cost of one ball. First we can take it as two variables because x and y. If you know the cost of one bat, then we can find out the cost of 3 bats. And also if you know the cost of one ball, then we can find out the cost of 6 balls. So here the cost of one bat is x and cost of one ball is y. So according to the question, we can form the linear equation in two variables. So according to question, ATQ means according to question, number of bats is 3 bats, so 3, and one cost of one bat is x, so 3 into x, that is 3x, plus number of balls is 6, so 6 into y, cost of one ball is y, so 6 balls cost me 6 into y, that is 6y, is equal to total cost given is 3,900 rupees. This is equation 1. Now we can come to the second part. Later she buys another bat, means only one bat she bought. So that is x plus more 3 balls are there. So 3y, 3 into y. Cost of ball is y, so 3y is equal to the total cost is given 1,300. This is equation 2. So algebraic representation over. Now we have to represent it using graphically. If you want to represent the given equation graphically, first we have to take first equation and find out any 3 solutions for the first equation. So here I am going to take 3 different solutions for the first equation. So equation 1 I am taking equation 1. 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900. If we divide if it is possible to reduce, then we can reduce it into lowest form. So equation 1 becomes dividing by 3, we can divide it by 3. Dividing by 3, we will get 3x by 3 is equal to x plus 6y by 3 is equal to 2y is equal to 3,900 by 3 is 1,300. So we are getting the equation in this form. Now you have to find out 3 different solutions for the equation. So here I am making a box of x and y. Here it is x, here it is y. Now we have to find out 3 different solutions. Another one method in the previous video I explained. That method I am not going to follow here because the number is big number. It is followed for simple equations. But here the number is given big one. So we can go through that different values. So here first y is equal to 200 I am taking. If I will take y is equal to 200, so x plus 2 into 200 is equal to 1,300. So here I am substituting the value of y. Any value you can take. It's not compulsory to take 200. You can take 300, 400, 500. Multiples of 100 if you take, that is easy here. So x plus 400 is equal to 1,300. X is equal to 1,300 minus 400. That's equal to 900. So we are getting the value of x as 900 and value of y is equal to 200. So y 200. If it is taking 200, then value of x we are getting 900. So now we can find out different more 2 solutions. We can find out with only with the 2 solutions also we can draw the graph. Now next one I am going to take y is equal to 600. So x plus 2 into 600 is equal to 1,300. X plus 2 into 600 is 1,200. In one step I am writing 1,300. This 1,200 if you take that side minus 1,200. Then the value of x is what, 100, and value of y is 600. So x we can take 100 and value of y 600. With these 2 solutions we can draw the graph. Now I am going to the second equation. Second equation is x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. So equation 2, x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. Here if we want, we can write x is equal to, in this way, this also we can make 1300 minus 3y we can take. Now we can find out different solutions. So first solution I am going to give y is equal to 300. If y is equal to 300, x is equal to 1300 minus 3 into 300. So that's equal to 1300 minus 3 3s are 9, 900. That's equal to 400. So we are getting the value of x. Another table you have to make here. So here we have to write x and y. Then we should draw here. Now y value is 300. X we got 400. One more solution I am going to find out. So y value I am going to take 400 and x value 1300 minus 3y, that is 3 into 400. 3 into 400 is 1200. 1300 minus 1200 is 100. So now y is equal to 400 and x is equal to 100. So we got two solutions. Now we can plot the solution in the graph. Here I am not having graph paper, so I am going to show that in this board only. I will show that how to plot the points. That you have to plot it in the graph and you have to check. So here we should draw first y-axis. And then you have to draw x-axis. Here it is origin. Here y dash you have to write. Axis name you have to put, always you have to put axis name. Now right side you have to write positive numbers 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 I am not writing because it is hundreds multiple. So we can take 100, 200, 300. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Here also we can take 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. Here minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, so on. And here also minus 100, minus 200, minus 300. Now I will show how to plot the points. In this x is 900 and 200. So 900 if you want means you should go some more, you have to mark it. Here you have to make 700, 800 and 900. So 900 and 200. So 900, 200 means you have to plot the point like this. Here it will come 900, 200 and x is equal to 100, 600, x is 100, at that time y is 600. So here the point will come. So we can join like this. So this is the graph of first equation. 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. Second equation also you should plot like that, 400 and 300. So 400 here and 300 here. So 300 you have to bring here and 400 you should. So here it is the point. And 100 and 400. So 100 here and 400 here. So here it will come. So this is the point. So we are getting two points here. So we have to join the 2 points. So we can see this is the graph of the second equation. So this is the two methods, algebraic representation and graphical representation of the pair of linear equation in 2 variable. So I think you might have understood that 2 questions I explained from 3.1. Then 1 question is left out. Please try yourself. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.